Hey, so this is a tutorial of how I made some really cute cardstock cutouts for leadership doors at my girls' school. So what I did was I took a 12 by 12 piece of birch plywood, and then I had the laser score the area of an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock on top of the wood. And the reason for this is if you don't know where you're marking your area of where the laser is going to go, you have to do that every single time. And honestly, with the amount of things I had to cut out, I did not want to have to mark in two separate parts of the paper to get a square. So this was the fastest and easiest way that I didn't have to remark the area. All I had to do was take the magnets, put the paper on, take the magnets off, take the pieces off, and it was so easy. Now I will say this is my first time using the laser to cut this many pieces of cardstock. And the laser does not recognize the same settings as in white cardstock compared to different colors of cardstock. So you do have to mess with the settings and run test grids on both, because different depths of color, the laser reads it differently. So when you go to score it, like on the inside of your cutouts of the little designs of where you want the pieces to go, you have to do different test grids so you know the depth of your scoring, because if it's too deep, it just cuts it out. It doesn't score it, and then you just wasted a piece of cardstock. So I just love how all of these different cutouts turned out. That'll be a separate post, but this is how I personally did it with so many different pieces. This was the fastest and the easiest way. And the laser can get so much more detailed, and honestly, it was perfect for what I needed it to do and much faster this way. So I'll show you in a separate post of all the cute little doors and all the cutouts. Happy crafting! Here are the cut settings that I used to cut all the pieces out. However, I would recommend you run your test grids. Here are what my test grids look like for both score and cut.